Hey everyone, Jay with Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have got a really nice one. This is a 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE. This is the hybrid version. Very fast, beautiful car. It's got 486 miles on it. So 380 MSRP, loaded with options. I'll go down some of these. I've got the window sticker I'll put in the gallery as well. But it's got the blue seat belts. It's got the Grigio Hattie paint. That's a $20,000 ad. It's got the black pano roof up top, tow hitch down there. We've got the 23-inch black diamond wheels, blue calipers, ambient light package, advanced 3D Bang & Olufsen sound system, bicolor leather interior. It's got the off-road mode, full electric front seats. Lots of big stuff here. It goes on and on. Front and rear heated seats. Let's see one of the big ones. Premium air quality system, night vision. Goes on and on. It's got everything. Take a quick look inside. Also full PPF. The whole thing has got full PPF done at the Lamborghini dealer. Emblem down there. Check out this two-tone black and blue interior. It's beautiful. Brand new pano roof. Comes with the charger. Everything from new comes with this vehicle. We've got the car cover as well. Really cool color combination here. Pop this open back here in the back. Quick look there. Here's all of our other stuff. There's the car cover, first aid kit, charger. Really pretty. Get this close. Sun's kind of going down. I'll get some better shots and videos we'll post on our Instagram and shorts on the YouTube channel, but absolutely beautiful. Not a single issue. Full factory warranty. We've got this vehicle from a client here locally. 2025 Urus SE. Give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you quick. Can do deals long distance. I can ship this enclosed to you anywhere in the country. If you need financing, we can help with that. Give us a subscribe, like our channel, follow us at Rogers_Motorcars on Instagram. These black diamond wheels are just awesome. In the sun, they look so good the way when they're turning, the sun reflects off of them. It's really nice. Got the black pipes, that was an option. All right, so check it out. Hope to hear from you. No need to wait. You put an order in, you're going to wait up to a year for one of these. You get one right here, right now. No waiting. Beautiful color. We'll talk soon. Thank you for watching.